Hello, good morning everybody. Today I will teach geometrical bird drawing. Geometrical bird, easy process. Three geometrical objects: circle, semicircle, triangle. Bas, three only bird. Three various type of bird drawing. Today I teach only for three birds: sparrow, starling and parrot. You see, your class is fifth. Today you follow to me direct. Alright, down to brush only, ink and brush. First, today fifth. Okay, class fifth. Now I draw three objects. This is circle, one circle, two triangle, yes, three semicircle, half circle, like that. This is bas, okay. This is one, two and three. This is enough. One bird. You see, now I draw bird. First, sparrow. One circle. Okay, one circle. Next, this is half circle. You see, yes, one triangle. Okay, this is one half circle also. This wings, two wings. Here also one half. This is flying bird, sparrow, one. This is sparrow. I draw now another, starling. Same, but little bit change. You follow. One circle, one circle, one same, half circle and triangle also. Starling is another character. This is eyes, protrudal eyes. Yes, one wings, same. This is also flying. Okay, one more. This is parrot. Parrot, same type. This is flying and sitting on the branch. Anything. This is another type. One circle, yes, This is another no triangle, but little bit long. This is parrot now. This type. Yes. Wings. Yes. This is parrot. 1, 2, 3. Now I draw. This is bird composition. This is bird composition. Flying in the sky, sitting on the branch, anything. You see, first flying on the sky. One composition I draw. This is first. Take horizontal space, paper, anything. Yes, you want A4 size like that. You are a junior students. That's I ask. Always you drawing A4 size drawing sheet and quarter also. First I draw with the help. This is geometrical. Always geometrical form. मेरे को हेल्प किया. You see, follow. First, this is flying your bird. Here, one, also here. Little bit change means neck. Little realistic, you see. Here, some join. Another color. Here also another. Here also. Here also. This is same but little black and white. Same also here. Change. Here also some starling and sparrow. Here starling and sparrow. This is one line. White and black. Yes. Big on liver, black, little bit nice. One more. Here some lotus, the alphabet type geometrical something. You see horizontal line given, horizontal line. First horizontal. Here also some bushes. Simple composition. Nothing, only two birds, nothing else. This is bushes. Bushes. And one more, I use the circle. This is geometrical circle. This is 3 number of circle and triangle also here. And one more, sun. I given one here, circle, sun. Yes, one more, some cloud also here. Okay, here some palm tree and also 3 circle is equal to 1 tree also. You see first some 3 circle. You see 1, 2 and 3 like the tree. This is tree. Same type I draw here. Some either I draw here some pond. Lotus also, easy lotus. Lotus means you draw a W. Same type lotus. Here. Here, stem little bit turn, one but also, this is horizontal just to lining and also some bushes also, vertical, no horizontal, the grasses effect, this is leaves, this is one palm tree, X. Distance, perspective, small and big, small and big. This is easy geometrical like that. Triangle, two triangle here. This is same. Triangle means like that X, the one, this one. This is one palm tree also. Another tree also you see on the same branch, oh, one tree, like that one. This is one simple composition. 2 birds, best enough, and something object, sun, lotus, tree, best cloud only for. Today I teach only for geometrical bird drawing. Everything with the help of this geometrical shape or motifs, anything. Always help geometrical. Thank you. Next time I teach you only for color composition. Okay? Thank you.